Chair. Book. We're queer. Hell yeah, we are.
Alright, first day of school. I hope no one burns me for being gay. The people here are scary.
Alright.
I feel like doing full-on spins right now.
Gonna be learning math. Here's how to say hello.
Mitochondria is a powerhouse.
Subdue.
Okay, the work here's pretty. Ow! The work here's. Ow! Stop it!
Can you homo stop? Abby, you have a fucking F. You know what that means.
No!
Get back here, you need to face the consequences.
I love writing so oh, what?
Found you.
I'm sorry for failing the test. I'm so
Now let's
sorry.
do something about this F. Is everything okay? Oh my god!
Oh my god.
We love Alice! Sup, bitches? I love murdering children.
Murder?
Is that a murder drums
Well,
reference?
actually, murder jump will
Shut up,
never
Miss
happen.
Bloomy! Kill yourself!
And urine and
Like,
bile.
that was awesome. I like this fish tank. Oh, hi.
Yeah, I'm
He's
swimming!
so cool. Here's a library, a more calm place. I was so surprised because of
Claire!
Good
one, Edward.
Alright, so you see here, this is Alice's room.
You should not enter it at any cost because, like, she's
Shut
really
up,
scary
Zip.
and stuff. Here is her boyfriend. So, I'm her boyfriend, and,
Am I
like,
safe?
yeah, if you open her door, she's, like, totally gonna kill you and stuff. And also, she's kind of hot.
I hate that stupid gay trio. Like, I know I'm gay, but still. What?
Peekaboo, you got an F.
Huh?
1, 2, Bluey's coming for you. Zoom! You also got an F in my class.
Take that
Nuh-uh.
Oh my god, I'm surrounded
You're
by
also failing
lesbians.
mine. I don't know what to do for this scene.
I
Oh,
feel
no,
over there.
you don't.
Huh?
I got you, Pookie. I got you, Pookie. Run. Run now.
Fuck. Whatever. Huh? Oh my god.
I see you.
Oh, exit.
No, Weezer.
I think I'm safe.
Hey, surface slicker.
No.
I try not damage good.
Huh?
Some parts more valuable than others. Can't leave the office, Idget.
Oh dear.
Oh
Okay.
no. Can't keep some sluggish.
Open. Oh my
Ain't
god.
no first rodeo. Hallway. Book. Locker.
That's kind of
What the
worrying.
flip?
Fine, Bubble.
That's
What happened?
stop.
Claire. And that prank's over. Oliver, what are you doing?